Speak like a native, mastering a lot of, lots of, a little, in everyday English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the wonderful world of English quantifiers, specifically, how to use a lot of, lots of, and a little in informal English. These expressions may seem simple, but they're essential for sounding more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. In English, we often use a lot of and lots of in casual or informal speech when we want to express a large quantity of something. These expressions can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. I have a lot of friends. She has lots of money. Remember, there's no difference in meaning between a lot of and lots of. They're interchangeable. Moving on to a little. This phrase is typically used with uncountable nouns to indicate a small amount. It's especially handy when you're talking about things like time, money, or food. Can I have a little more time to finish this task? We only need a little sugar for this recipe. While these expressions are generally used in affirmative sentences, they can also be used in questions and negative sentences. For example, do you have a lot of homework? I don't have lots of time. Does he have a little patience? Let's practice what we've learned. Try to complete these sentences using a lot of, lots of, or a little. 1. There's blank traffic today. 2. She seems to have blank confidence. 3. I need blank more effort to pass the exam. Don't worry if you're still getting the hang of it. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of how to use a lot of, lots of, and a little in informal English. With a little practice, you'll be using these like a pro in no time. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more English learning videos. Happy learning!